Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 2 of Paper Squishy Week and I wanted to show you how I made this double layered ice cream paper squishy. So to start off with, to draw out the paper squishy, I took a brown felt tip pen and just kind of drew out a rough kind of waffle cone type shape thing. This was kind of hard to draw because of obviously the indents in the waffle shape. I found this a little bit hard, but I kind of liked the way it turned out. So what I did was I took a reddy kind of brown colour and just drew out the rough shape like so that it kind of looked like a wire basket almost. And then I took a darker brown and just coloured in the squares. I also went back in with the same brown and drew around those brown squares again to give them a little bit extra dimension. So this squishy was actually based on one that I bought from eBay last week. I may do a mini squishy haul because all the squishies that I bought from eBay were under £1, so I think that's under like 80 cents in the US, I'm pretty sure. So all squishies were under 80 cents. They are all small, but yeah, I really like them, so I may do a little haul, like my first ever haul on this channel. Let me know what you think in the comments below. So once I had the waffle shape drawn out, I then took a yellow colour and just kind of did the first layer of ice cream. I then went ahead and did the same with the pink and just did this on top of the yellow, and then I went ahead and coloured in both bits of ice cream in the colour that I obviously wanted them to be. So I did the bottom one in completely yellow and the top one in pink. You could do this in whichever way you want. I just did it this way because I kind of wanted to recreate the squishy that I bought, and this was the colour that it was. So yeah, I just did that, and then I took a black Sharpie pen and just put on 2 faces on each of the scoops. So I then cut around this shape and popped it onto another white piece of paper, and using my tape and tape dispenser, I just completely covered the shape in tape. Once completely covered in tape, I then cut out the shape all apart from the bit at the top of one of the scoops. I then completely covered this in tape and just kind of cut it and then folded it around so that both pieces of paper were secure together. Once I had secured it all apart from the top bit, as you can see here, I cut off the top. I put my pencil case here so you could kind of see me doing that. And what you want to do then is completely stuff your shape. So now I use toy stuffing on this particular squishy, but you can use whatever you want to stuff up your squishy. Anything that you have hanging around will do just fine. And you just want to tape it up once it's completely stuffed. Once I had completely taped up this squishy, this one was then complete. So all that's left to do then was squish away. So I hope you're enjoying these paper squishies so far. This is obviously only day 2. I do have 5 more paper squishies on the way. Yeah, I just really love the sizing of this one, as it did turn out really big. I think it's about 2 sizes of my hands. And I just really like the jumbo ones. I really like the small squishies obviously, but I love the jumbo ones as well. But they do take quite a while to kind of draw out, and just get them the right size. So yeah, if you have any requests for next week's videos, please leave them in the comments below. If you have any questions regarding this squishy, please leave them on the comments below also, and I'll get back to you on those. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully you'll drop by tomorrow. So I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye!